Hi, Sonya. Shannon Cowart here at Tameron Hyundai in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. You inquired about the Sonata Hybrid. Well, we've got several to choose from. And what you don't see is the other 15 on the back part of our lot. We've got different styles, different packages. And whenever you and I meet, we'll funnel in and find out exactly what you're looking to achieve. But I want to tell you the most important thing, Sonya, that's the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000-mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000-mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Cowart. I'm your personal sales associate assigned just to you. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250, or you may reach me on my personal cell at 205-907-4700. Sonya here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you're treated. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you very soon. Thank you.